Yes, so to do number 6, we have to recall some information we did already, and we can also get that in unit 5D. Okay, unit 5D. Where's unit 5D? Unit 5B, unit 5C, unit 5D. This is unit 5D. Trigonometrical ratios, angles. Okay, here they are sine, opposite over hypotenuse. And by the way, ratios also mean divide. So that's why they call it trigonometrical ratios, because they are all divisions. Opposite to the angle, adjacent to the angle, opposite over adjacent to the angle. The hypotenuse. Okay, so what is going on there with this? And then you have the sine, look the sine curve and the cosine curve. All right, that's the sine curve and so forth with the cosine curve. So you have it there, and the tangent curve and so forth. And so all this information is in unit 5D. Okay. So the first statement says, it's not a question, it's a statement, and we have to indicate if it's true or false. Sine is positive in the 3rd and 4th quadrant. Is sine positive in the 3rd and 4th quadrant? Let's go to unit 5E also. And also we dealt with that last session. Okay. It's right there in the beginning of the worksheet. Okay. We analyze it thoroughly. Okay, here it is. And but you also have it in unit 5E, I noticed. So we can also look at unit 5E. All right. And look, an interesting little summary going on there. We can use it to help us remember. Okay. Remember, we're going counterclockwise. Okay. And we can go back to the statement. Let's go back down here. The question says, or the statement says, sine is positive in the 3rd and 4th quadrant. Third and 4th quadrant, is sine positive? Remember, we know that sine is opposite over hypotenuse. The opposite is the vertical axis because of the, the right angle triangle that is here. The vertical, the side opposite to the angle, is negative. So in the 3rd quadrant, sine cannot be negative. Sine is positive in the 1st and 2nd quadrant because that is where the opposite is positive. I repeat, sine is positive only in the 1st and the 2nd quadrant because these are the 2 quadrants where the side opposite to the angle, remember the angle is inside there, is positive. So this statement is false. Okay. This statement is false with a capital F. Okay. The sine is only positive in the 1st and 2nd quadrant.